Hey there! Have you ever wanted to transform an old piece of wood furniture into something brand new, but felt a little bit lost on how to start? Well, we've got you covered with 6 easy steps to painting wood furniture. Step 1 is simple. Just remove any hardware like knobs and handles from the furniture piece. This will make the prep and painting process so much smoother. Next up, make sure to give your furniture a good clean with a degreasing cleaner. This will help remove any residue or grime that could cause problems when you apply paint. Now grab some 220 grit sandpaper and lightly sand the entire surface of the furniture. This will not only help smooth things out a bit, but also help the paint to stick better to the wood surface. Remember, just a light sanding is all you need. Now that your furniture is prepped, it's time to prime. We highly recommend using a shellac-based primer like Bin Shellac Primer to prevent any bleed-through stains from coming through your water-based paint and ruining all of your hard work. The primer also helps the paint stick to your wood furniture. The next step is the fun part, painting. Apply 2 to 4 coats of an enamel, acrylic, or an all-in-one paint. Feel free to check the description for our recommendations on the best paints for wood furniture. Be patient and let each coat dry before applying the next. Pro tip: use high-quality tools to make your project look like it was painted by a pro. And then paint on thin, even layers for a smooth finish. Finally, let your masterpiece dry for 24 hours. Reattach the hardware and voila! You've just transformed a worn-out piece of furniture into a stunning new addition to your home. I'll leave links to more helpful tips for painting wood furniture in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY tutorials. Happy painting! Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.